Toenail fungus is a very common problem. Symptoms include inflammation, swelling, yellowing, thickening or crumbling of the nail. It is usually not painful, unless the infection spreads. If left untreated, toenail fungus can cause cracking, splitting and even complete loss of the toenail. The good news is that toenail fungus is curable, and can be treated inexpensively. Various natural home remedies can cure the infection in 1 or 2 months. Let's have a look into few of the natural ways to get rid of toenail fungus. Note that, if the condition is painful or spreading further, then do consult your doctor. Number 1. Oil of oregano. Oil of oregano has antiseptic, antibacterial, antiparasitic, antiviral, analgesic and antifungal properties. This makes oregano oil an effective treatment for toenail fungus. All you need to do is, mix 2 drops of oil of oregano in 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and apply it on the affected area. Leave it for at least 30 minutes, and then rinse it off, and dry your toes thoroughly. Number 2. Baking soda. Baking soda is a readily available staple in most kitchens, which can also be used to cure toenail fungus, as well as help neutralize foot odor. Directions. Take 4 cups of water. To this add 1 cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide and 1/2 cup of Epsom salt, and mix the ingredients thoroughly. To this add 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Soak the affected toenail in this solution for about 10 to 20 minutes. Later, wash with clean water and dry your foot thoroughly. Repeat the process twice daily for several weeks. Number 3. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antiseptic as well as antifungal properties that help a lot in the treatment of toenail fungus. This oil is also used to treat other kinds of skin infections. Directions. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil in 1 teaspoon of olive oil or coconut oil. Use a cotton ball to apply the mixture on the affected toenail. Leave it for 10 minutes, and then use a toothbrush to gently scrub the affected nail. Do this 2 or 3 times daily for best results. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is mildly acidic, and can help prevent toenail fungus from spreading. At the same time, it kills bacteria and fungi. All you need to do is, mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water. Soak your toenail in this solution for 30 minutes. Later, dry your toenail thoroughly. When used daily for a few weeks, you will notice improvement very quickly. So, do try any of these natural remedies to cure toenail fungus.